Hello everyone. My name is Grace. I'm from China and I'm working in a factory. The factory making hardware, electronics as accessories. Here's our factory inside. This one is for CNC machines. All the hardware products by this CNC machine producing out CNC parts. I will show you the machines, show you some products, okay? Wait. See, all these machines. You know, don't need that so much works for working because one person can look, one worker can look for a few machines. Yeah, this one for the audio speakers part. Yeah, this one I'll show you this one. This one for the soybean milk parts. Yeah, this one. See, soybean milk machine parts. And then here the machine working. I'll show you. See, so many water inside the machine are working. This one called CNC part. I'll show you. All made by this machine, CNC parts. If you have any hardware products, you can send me drawing papers and samples, okay? Yeah, see the or CNC machines. This one also is the second part. You see. Here. Different CNC parts. You only can need to send me drawings and samples. Then I can make for you. Just send me drawings and samples. We are